Hi, hello, this is John from McLaud Technology, and so we are here. We are just unbox the first third generation powdering machine here in the US, and we delivered this to the first client. So I would like you to give a tour. So this is the machine. See, this is designed already for 4 heads. It has a belt drive. Okay, see, this is a belt drive. This is the box, the other side. Okay, this machine is too big. It's like 8 feet long, and yeah, look at this. So this is the features, the most important features. So here, look at this. Okay, so this is the powder was delivered. So it will be delivered here, and there's a screen there that filters it, and yeah, from there, and when you go to the other side, okay, so this is where it rotates. The powder drop there below. Okay, let's talk on the other side. The powder drop there, and there's something that bring it up. Okay, from below it bring it up here, and come back here, come back here. So from there it bring it up here and bring it here, bring it back below, and it's rotating. So that's it. So this is, guys, this is the massive third generation. So you see the controls, the preheat controls. This is the controls. This is the electronics. So this is the control electronics here, easy access here in the front. Okay, and there's an extension outlet. So this is the third generation powdering machine. All right, so guys, if you want to automate your thing, this is auto circulation. The powder is auto circulation. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.